In this video, I'm going to show you how to export specific parts of your video right from Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into it. So once you're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and you've got your video ready to export, normally what you would do is just select everything, go Command M, that is the keyboard shortcut, or you can go File, Export, Media. That is the traditional way of doing it. But if you didn't want to export the entire video, so as you can see, this video is 41 seconds. Let's say I only wanted this section here, these few seconds. Well, we can do that one of two different ways. So first of all, you can grab this selection tool up here. So you can see we've got this blue marker here and this blue marker here. You can drag this to where you want the video to start and drag the second one to where you want the video to end. And now if we do that same export process, we go Command M, or if you don't want to do the keyboard shortcut, we can go File, Export, Media. Now you can see we have exported this specific part of the video. So now you would just go through all of your different export settings. And when you export that video, only these few seconds, this blue section here will export. Everything outside of these markers will be ignored. Now, for some bizarre reason, when I spoke to some creatives, they can't quite see this in point and out point marker. For some reason, it's just not showing up on their timeline. So if that's not working for you, then just scroll to the specific point that you want to start the export from. Press I on the keyboard, that is in. Go to the out point, press O, and you'll get this marker. Now you can go through that same export process. However, sometimes, and I find this one doesn't work for me, but sometimes this won't work. I'm not entirely sure why one works over the other one. So if you're not getting any of these appearing, we'll just move these out of the way. So if you can't get any of those to show up and you've just got this, and no matter what you try, you can't see these other two options, we'll just go into the export window. So we'll go File, Export, Media. You want to move this cursor here to the specific point where you want to start. Now, if you needed a specific time code, then just scroll through on your timeline, take note of this time code to 721, take note of the ending time code to 17, we'll go 1721. Export media. You just go over to this time code window, we'll go 0721, and then you just select this in point, so this triangle. Then we'll go to 1721. And we'll press this end. So that is our out point. So essentially everything within these two arrows, this blue section, is going to export. So the start of this video, the end of this video, and anything extra after that will not export. So of course from there you just follow your export settings. If we're doing a H.264, we just go H.264 on the format, export video, export audio, width 1920, height 1080, frame rate 23.976. Field order progressive, render at maximum depth, use maximum render quality. Everything else is fine. And then just press export. And that will export that 10-second video rather than the rest of the sequence. So there you go. That is how you export specific parts of your video right from your sequence inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support and hopefully I will see you on the next video. See you there.